Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, February 28, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, February 28, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong February 28, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, February 28, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for February 28, 2026, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, February 28, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.